What's up, guys? Welcome to Local Band Smokeout. I'm BG here with Joey and my friend Mike. We're in the sunshine state of Florida. As you can see, it's not too sunny today, but the show must go on. Mike's cool enough to introduce me to a really fucking badass band today from Loxahatchee, Florida, called Sounds of the Rodeo. He showed these guys a bunch of time. Tell me something cool about them.
They're absolutely insane, man. Every time Norma Jean comes down, they always open up for them, whether it's at the Culture Room or it's at Revolution in Fort Lauderdale or any other mom and pop venue here in Florida.
Cool.
They're just in your face, badass. There's no way around it, man.
Hell yeah.
Once you start hearing it, you'll understand the love that these guys pour into the music and into the industry.
Cool. Well, if you like what you're about to hear, ReverbNation.com/Sounds of the Rodeo. The song we're going to listen to is called Triumph and Tragedy. We're actually going to watch the music video at the same time. Mike's chosen to stay off camera because he is not allowed to smoke due to job issues, but no worries.
He's anonymous.
Yeah, let's get started. Sounds of the Rodeo, Triumph and Tragedy. If you got it, go ahead and spark it up. Woo! There we go. Sounds of the rodeo, triumph and tragedy.
That was
Okay,
very good.
yeah, what do you think first?
Yeah, I mean, that constant good flow. You know, they didn't call it. It was just good rocking out all around. Good guitar.
Really good harmonies in the singing parts, too.
Yeah,
Sketchy.
He could sing. He could sing.
The screamer is the singer?
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
I think so, right?
Okay. Yeah. You like what you heard? ReverbNation.com
Keep rocking out.
/ Sounds of the Rodeo. The video is dope as fuck, so go on YouTube, find that video. Triumph and Tragedy.
You see what I'm talking about with them being just in your face, but they can still, you know, as a local band, it's really hard to find that feel to where you're appeasing the underground scene, but at the same time, you're still selling yourself enough to be on the radio.
Yeah.
You know, with those harmony levels, you know, it's in your face, but I mean, if you look at rock radio all across the nation, they're playing bands like Attila and Godsmack and Five Finger Death Punch. A lot of their lyrics are straight screaming, you know, or even switch to a different genre, more emo screamo with bands like My Chemical Romance and Atreyu and stuff like that, where it's real high-pitched, straight scream 90% of the song with only like a 2-minute harmony pitch. You know, it's I really feel that they cover everybody in their sound, because there's, even if you're not a heavy metal fan, you can still go to a Sound of the Rodeo show and enjoy the hell out of it because of those harmony parts, because of those ballady almost singing, you know.
Yeah, I like that though.
You know, it's
If it's all screaming the whole time, sometimes after a while, it's like, that's just me personally, but so some good harmony vocals. I think, as I say, clean vocals. So those are good.
good mix.
Yeah. Well, if you guys like what you heard, one more time, ReverbNation.com / Sounds of the Rodeo. If you want to submit your music or just tell us what you guys are smoking on, at Local Band Smokeout on Facebook or Instagram. Until next time,
Like you said.
yeah, keep blaming.